tick the non-plant food and circle the dairy products. Now children, let's see what is non-plant food. Non-plant food is food that does not grow on plant. Then dairy products is the product that comes from milk. Shall we see it now? First one is egg. This is a non-plant food. Then milk. This is a dairy product. So we should circle it. Then cheese. This is a dairy product. So we should circle it. This is ghee. This is a dairy product. So circle it. Then this is kova. This is also a dairy product. Then this is mushroom. This is a non-plant food. This is curd. This is a dairy product. Then this is chicken. This is a non-plant food. Then this is fish. This is a non-plant food. Then this is cheese. This is a dairy product. Children, you should do it in your book.